go straight across then to Hyderabad's Police Commissioner Anjani Kumar. Appreciate your joining us, Mr. Kumar. Those images today have played out a lot on social media. People are saying, look at this, what's happening in Hyderabad? Where is the social distancing? Where are the COVID protocol norms? What is your response, Mr. Police Commissioner?
Yeah, Rajdeep, first of all, I would like to say that what all has been coming in the social media, particularly yesterday and today, all has not been the video footage of the current days. There are a lot of mischievous people who are putting previous videos on the social media. There have been 4 cases registered also and 2 persons arrested in this regard for putting up misleading footages on the social media. However, as far as Ramzan is concerned, I wish you also show the videos of a normal year, what happens near the Charminar. Compared to that, I would say the crowd is not even 1/10. And there are violations. On an average, every day, we have been booking more than 6,000 to 7,000 cases. And as far as gathering is concerned, small lanes and by lanes, even 10 people, it looks large, a big number. But definitely, we are working 24 hours. Majority of the community, they are supporting us. However, there are some people, group of people here and there who are violating the norms of COVID guidelines.
But why are you not doing, Mr. Anjani Kumar, what Mumbai has done, which is making sure that even in the crowded, congested area during the day, full curfew, and thereby not allowing any large gatherings? Is it that it is very difficult to do that in Hyderabad, to impose such a curfew ahead of Eid?
No, it has been discussed at length in the interdepartmental meeting. And as yesterday the Chief Secretary had mentioned that we do not consider it is required here. Compared to Mumbai and Delhi, things are much better in Hyderabad. Being such a big city with 140 crore population, I think the number of positive cases in Hyderabad is much, much less. And our recovery percentage is also better, with death rate less than 0.05%. So I think that is quite, I would say, reasonably under control.
But in conclusion, are you giving our viewers an assurance that in the days ahead, you will crack down against people who gather in large numbers ahead of Eid? Is that clear? Have you got is there clarity in the police that you will not allow people to gather in large numbers without social distancing? Or are you saying it's impossible to do that in the old city of Hyderabad?
No, absolutely. It is very much possible. And the people of Old City, I would say they are very much in support of the regulations which we are imposing. And if you compare with the last 2-3 years footage, you would find that how much compliance is there. I would not use the word crackdown, but yes, I would definitely say that those who are violating the norms, we would book cases, we will take action. For the last 15 days, we have been creating a lot of publicity. We are keeping the community elders on our side. There has been 4 or 5 rounds of meeting with the clergy. All the big masjid, like the Makkah Masjid and all, the clerics, they have given the call. They have issued the fatwa that yes, there is no need of coming to the masjid. There is no, even tomorrow, this Jamadul Vida is coming, the last Friday of the Ramzan. For that also, there has been a consensus that various Jamaats in 2 or 3 batches, they would be coming for the prayer, so that at one place there is no big gathering. I think things in the given circumstances, and the challenges which we have on hand, things are very much in control.
Right. That's reassuring to hear, and you've told us something very important. A lot of old videos are being used, and you're going to file FIRs and prosecute those who are using old videos on social media, typically, of course, to demonize a community. For God's sake, let's not do that. This is a time to fight the pandemic unitedly. Enough of Hindu-Muslim politics that's played out by IT cells on social media. Thank you so much, Anjani Kumar ji, for joining me, the Police Commissioner.